Hey, I'm Lee, and I want to ask you a question. Are you still scared to have people over to your house? I ask this question with the word still in it because my first blog post on contentedinteriors.com back in 2018 was called, Are You Scared to Have People Over to Your Home? Well, then in 2020, we went into a global COVID-19 pandemic, and of course, people were scared to have others to their home. But now, the average healthy person can safely interact with their friends and family in their home. So I ask still, are you scared to have people to your home? Maybe for completely different reasons than in the pandemic, but maybe the same reasons that you had before the pandemic. Like, I don't have a big house. I don't have a fancy house. My kitchen is old, or I don't know. I fell into some crazy trend 5 years ago and I have to live with it for another 10. So these pressures keep us from socializing in our home because we're so worried about what people will think when they come over. And I have struggled with this as someone that gets paid to make environments more attractive, function better, and be safer, but most people come to me because they want their spaces to look better. So what is this sweet spot between employing some strategies and techniques that will create a more welcoming environment, a less DMV, if you're in the States, you'll know what I'm talking about, the Department of Motor Vehicles, a less DMV or college dorm sort of feel to your apartment or your home or your condo. Yeah, these techniques definitely can make an environment better. We don't want to feel like we're in a harshly lit environment, or a disorganized and chaotic environment, or an environment where all the furniture is just spread out and it doesn't feel conducive to socializing. But we also don't want to prevent happiness, increasing and enhancing our happiness at home, because we're so worried about what other people think. I'm here to tell you that these are the reasons, these, kind of opposite or opposing opinions or thoughts, these are the reasons that prompted me to create my course and community all about creating chic, functional, family-friendly interiors that will not only work amazingly, they'll work amazing wonders in your own life, they're also going to make you feel so much more comfortable about bringing others in, because that sweet spot that I mentioned is we want to start by having people over. And then as we get more comfortable with having the people over, we can look at our environment and say, okay, what tweaks, what changes can I make to really make my house work the best for my family and myself, and also the people that regularly are coming over here, or the types of events that we normally have. So that's a sweet spot. Host first, enhance later, using the data from when you host. And that is why I created my course and community, which you can learn more about at contentedinteriors.com. It's a monthly course and community access membership, meaning you can join for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, a whole year maybe if you're building a house and really need a lot of feedback. But my step-by-step video course teaches you my step-by-step interior design process that is going to be customized to your needs. It's not just put a rug here, put a sofa here. It's going to go step by step through all the questions that I would need to ask you if you were my client. And you're going to work through and model this space in 3D, because guess what? I also teach you those skills in the course. And then the community aspect is not only our private forum, but also our weekly group video calls where I will be present. I am a formally educated and working professional interior designer, and I will be present to answer your interior design questions and resolve your residential interior design dilemmas. So again, you can learn more and sign up by going to contentedinteriors.com. I can't wait to see you. Take care.